Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to use clear special command, and in case you missed previous discussion about how to use linked special command, please check link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblands channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo development tutorial, and here we are working on this playlist. If you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist because this is the main playlist and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will help me a lot, plus you will also get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. So let's back to our main topic, how we can also use the clear special command. Right here, let me show you one demo before we will start this topic. I'm trying to uncomment this write method of the res.partner. Okay guys, if you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check editor level playlist. I already explained everything. Here, let's say I'm going to the contacts. Let me duplicate here tags. Let me also open one more duplicate tab. Student. Okay. So here, once I hover here, you can see category underscore ID as a field, right? Type is many to many, okay? And the relation of the model is res partner category, right? And this is the res.partner model. So here you can see two tags available here, right? Now let's say I want to clear all the tags, right? So how can I do it? As a functional, I have to delete one by one, right? But using the special command, right, in this case you can use the special command, and if you observe here, still it uses the 3, right? 3 is the unlink special command, and you already know how it works, right? So that's the reason I just uncommented this one, right? Let me again comment this one, and let me go to here in this custom method. Okay, here let me comment it out. Here I have to use the special command, which is the phi. Okay, so partner.write category underscore ID colon and the value. Okay, that's it. And here let me add services, vendors, like this. Once I will refresh the screen, you can see 3 services available, right? And now that this method, right, custom method, which is available with this button. So once I click to this button, it will automatically call this method, right? And now you can see, once I'll refresh the screen, automatically whatsoever, let's say one or more than one records is selected, automatically clear. So it will also works with many to many and one to many field. Okay, so that is the main purpose for the special number 5. So now let's do one thing. We are not using the special command with the number, but let's use with the name, right? So here let me comment it out, and simple what I'm doing is, so first thing is, if you want to use with the name, right, then first thing is you have to import from odoo.fields import and command. So this command we have to use here. Command.clear, and basically this clear, right, this clear or link, unlink, whatsoever we discussed previously, all are the methods. Okay, let me restart the service. Let me also add here multiple tags, right? And once I click to this button, once I will refresh the screen, so you see here it's clear, right? So that is the main purpose of the clear special command. And another way is, if you don't want to import this command right? But instead you already import the fields, right? Then you can do simple way, fields dot like this, okay, fields dot command dot clear. Let's say vendor, office suppliers, desk manufacturer, right? And once I click here and again refresh the screen, you can see all records selected, right? It's clear. So using this special command clear all the records. Yeah, but it's not permanently delete. Okay, so you can see still all the records is available here. So that is the main. So I hope you understood about this topic. If you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below and see you in our next session.